In the high desert cliffline, a sudden blizzard traps a lone hiker and a seasoned guide shows how to read microclimates to pick a safe bivouac. He reveals quick shelter using a Bivouac windbreak with pine boughs and an insulating ground pad. They show immediate signaling using a mirror, fireless smoke by green branches, and a plan to conserve energy. The expert emphasizes water discipline, melting snow safely, and rationing. The verdict: practice these steps now to stay alive when the unexpected hits and build confidence for every expedition.